Well, this is going to be quite a bit different video today. This is what I'm working on. This was a old console TV cabinet. It used to have the screen in the front of it and the controls and stuff on there, and I put the piece on the front of here years ago just to close it in, and I hinged the top and put dividers in it and made it into a 3-bin hamper to put dirty clothes in. And that's how we used it for a long time, but I'm getting ready to convert it into a little bit something different. But let's get started on it. So I took all this front piece off, and this was not open, it had another layer to it, so I separated that because I need venting in the top of this thing. So I had to rip down some pieces and do a few different things. Well, y'all may have already caught on, but the little hole there in the front may give it away. I'm making something for my cat to put her litter box in. So we're just going to put a litter box in there. We'll put some of that stuff in there that knocks the litter off of her feet. I'm trying to find a little light to put in there. But should I paint this thing? I don't have any of this brown paint that matches this. Should I paint it, or just should I leave it the scratched up look, beat up look? It's not real bad, but you know, patina's all the go now. But y'all let me know whether you think I should paint it or not. But let's go see what the cat thinks about it. What you think, girl? Hmm? What you think? Do you need a little privacy? Hmm? She must have to right now. Yep, she is. Fresh stuff. Now you know what to do with it, right?
We need to get that one put up. The other one.
There you go, cover it up. I think she likes it. I think you got it. What do you think about that?